Doing this technique has changed the game for me, okay? So my twist out girlies, this one is for you. All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae. We are back with freshly washed hair, y'all. I have been tending to this natural hair, honey, so let's get into it. So I used some water in my unbrush to gently detangle the back of my hair. Then take my Luster's Pink. This is the hair lotion, and I'm just putting that all up in my hair, honey, because I just feel like it moisturized my curls. So we're taking the doux Most Def texture foam, and this is my first time using it and using it for a twist out. I feel like it did define the curls, but you know, I do love crazy sexy curl. That's still my Beyonce, okay? That's still my number one. So I three-strand twist my hair by separating the part in 3 equal sections, and then I take the piece of hair that's furthest to the right and pull it all the way to the left. And then I exchange each piece of hair accordingly. So every time that piece of hair gets all the way to the far right, we're bringing it over to the far left. And then the one that was on the far left, you just drop it down into the middle. So you see we're bringing that all the way across from right to left, taking the one from the left, dropping it down in the middle, and you're just kind of doing like a merry-go-round circle vibe. So you're just taking that furthest piece from the right over all the way to the left. And I like to pause and brush out my twist or my hair because you want your hair to be smooth within the twist. So this is how I'm twisting in real time. I want to show you guys slow down. I want to show y'all real time so y'all can get the gist. So if you need to rewind to the slow down portion to get the rhythm again, feel free to do so. So as I get towards the end of my hair, sometimes the strands might have not been like perfectly separated with the same amount. So I'll go ahead and take my thinner piece and match it with whatever other thinner piece I have, and then 2-strand twist towards the bottom. So if your hair is evenly distributed, then you could go ahead and 3-strand twist all the way to the end. But for me, I typically be off a little bit. So by the time I get towards the end of my hair, I need to put the thinner piece with the other thin piece and do a 2-strand twist. So I'm taking these perm rods. These are the gray ones. They're smaller. And I'm just wrapping the ends of my hair around this. So the point of me using perm rods is because it'll make like a uniform curl on the bottom of your curls. Now you'll see later in the video what kind of happened and why mine isn't as uniform, but you can do this to get like that uniform curl on the end of your twist out. So benefits of doing a 3-strand twist out versus a 2. I do feel like my hair is a lot more defined when I do a 3-strand twist out. I do have a versus video on my channel, so click up here to check that out, where I compare the 2-strand twist out versus the 3-strand twist out. So as I continue going through this, I want to show you guys one more time in slow motion. So this is my hair separated in 3 fairly equal parts, and as you can see, I'm taking the one from the far right all the way to the left. Then I move the middle piece down and take that far right piece all the way to the left, and you just keep dropping the hair down. So the one that's on the far right gonna go all the way to the left, and the other 2 pieces gonna drop down. Far right all the way to the left, middle piece drop down. Far right to the left, middle piece drop down. So this is kind of a better view for you to see it, so you can kind of try it and master it. And don't be afraid if you mess up the first time, girl, take that twist down and try it again, honey, because it is not that deep. It's natural hair and it's gonna do what it want to do at the end of the day. So whether your twist out popping or it failed, girl, it's cute and it's natural and it's you. So keep trying. I didn't master it the first time myself, child. I still be trying to figure out what's going on today, but just keep trying, and try again until you get it. Again, once you get towards the end of that hair, mine be getting thin. I need to trim it, y'all. Again, yeah, I know I need to do the big trim for real, but I just do the 2-strand twist, and then I roll my hair up on this perm rod, and then it be doing what do when it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? So I really enjoy doing the 3-strand twist out. I also want to show you guys, I put these little metal clips at the root of my hair just to make sure my twist stay flat. Then I got a little hungry, so I had to eat some grapes to take a break, and I'm watching my TV over there. That's why I'm looking like that, honey. But yeah, y'all, this hairstyle has been very easy for me to master. But also, I don't mind wearing my twists out. So I wear my twists for like a day or two before I go ahead and take them out. This time I only wore them overnight, but just, you know, you could wear them as twists if you want to, and then you could do the twist out, obviously. So this is what my full head looks like. I wanted to go ahead and do a little bit of edges, so I got this She Is Bomb edge control, and y'all, this edge control is really good. I need to get a full size one. I got it from Target and was just trying to check it out, you know what I'm saying? But then they had 8, so boom. So these are my edges. This is what my hair looks like the next day, and I just like to unravel my hair in the opposite direction that we twisted it in. So I'm literally untwisting the entire thing. Now you want to be careful to pull the hair out like I did, because if your ends are split ends and not even, girl, your hair gonna tangle at the end. So just unravel in the opposite direction and take your time unraveling the ends so it doesn't create a knot if you just try and pull it from the top, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing right now, just untwisting my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. It looks nice and juicy. The curls are super defined. You can kind of see how the ends are not as uniform, and that's because I took my perm rods off to go to the gym. So yeah, so I'm taking my Maelle scalp oil for my bald spot, y'all. I'm trying to grow this thing out, so I'm using all the oils. This is one that a lot of people recommended. I actually used this before, so I just applied some to my bald spot area and a little bit to my edges in the front of my hair where it be a little bit more thin. So now to separate your hair, you just want to be gentle when you separate your hair and finger coil the ends. So if you don't finger coil the ends, like, you may have more frizz on your ends, and that's not the goal if you want defined curls. So you want to make sure you finger coil the ends as you separate your hair, and try to separate it where it naturally separates. So I just go through each section and separate it as desired. Usually in my bang area, I don't separate it as much because I want it to be more defined. So next, I'm taking this Eben colored edge tamer, and this is because, baby, I was doing a photo shoot and I needed my edges to look thick. No matter how thin them things is, I had to need them to look thick. So I did the color edge tamer, and then I did the She Is Bomb on top of it because for some reason color edge control just don't be having the same hold. So, and then again, like I said, I was doing a photo shoot, so baby, I had to spritz this thing down with some hairspray because we didn't need them edges moving nowhere. So this is a little scrap piece of t-shirt from some shirt I done cut up, child, and I used that to lay down my edges, and then I picked out my hair. And then once I was kind of done picking out my hair, I took the scarf off so it didn't get stuck to my edges, and then I blow dried it to stretch it out. All right, y'all, so this is what my hair looks like. I think it turned out really cute. The ends, because I took the perm rods off and then I went to the gym and worked out, the ends wasn't giving what I thought they was gonna give, but it's okay. Typically, if you let your hair dry fully and you put the perm rods on the ends, it's gonna have like a uniform curl on the ends, and it's just gonna make your style look that much more popping. I'm still feeling around in my head and finding pieces that I can separate more. But yeah, y'all, I think the 3-strand twist out looks amazing. It definitely ate with the flat twist, so I want to try that again. All right, so I used the Mousse Def. This is from doux, and this is their texture foam. So I liked using this. I think it'll look great in a wash and go. However, I will say the honey one, the Crazy Sexy Curl, the honey one eats way more. Like, I don't know what it is about that honey one, but that honey one just gives me everything and more. So I definitely, if you're trying to decide between this one and the Crazy Sexy Curl, I go Crazy Sexy Curl. But if you just need a good foam mousse, like this one is pretty good. I also use some of my pink hair moisturizer, and I just like to do that because I just feel like my hair has a brighter sheen. So boom. Comment below if you've tried the 3-strand twist out method and any suggestions for anyone who is trying to learn how to do it. Hopefully this video was helpful. You literally just take the furthest strand and pull it all the way to the other side and just keep rotating it in a merry-go-round fashion. Okay, so that's how you get your 3-strand twist out. And then the edges. So I did my hair update. If y'all haven't watched it, make sure you check out that video here. Your girl got a little boil spot up there, and we're nursing her back to health. So we used the rosemary mint oil from Mael on that spot. We also made sure when we did our twist, I don't know if you can see, when we did the twist, we made sure that the bald spot was concealed. So Miss Baldy is up in there, but we made sure we twisted like over it. So if you're dealing with a bald spot or thinning or something like that, you don't have to part your hair in a way that exposes that flaw. So boom, this is what the hair looks like. I picked it out. I did stretch it a little bit. This is what the back looks like. Hopefully y'all can see it and it's not blurry. The edges, I did a number on these things because I got a photo shoot today and I wanted to make sure they was fried, dyed, and laid to the side, but also giving a little bit thick and a little bit full. So that's why we use the colored edge gel. For some reason, colored edge gel does not have the same hold as a regular edge gel. Like, I don't know why, but it don't. So I use 2 edge controls and a little bit of Got2b to make sure stay in place. Okay, I know we vibing, but I ain't gonna hold y'all. I love y'all, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye.